Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your location on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the Snapchat application to open it up, and once it is opened, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now from the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and then from your profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now from the gear icon, scroll down until you find the See My Location option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will find various options about your location. Now if you want none of your friends or anyone to see your location, you can tap on the Ghost Mode option, and this will hide your location from everyone. If you turn this option on, you can choose whether you want all of your friends to not see your location, or you can also select a few friends that can see your location. You can also tap on Hide My Live Location to make sure that nobody can see your location in real time while you're using the Snapchat application. And once you turn these options on, your location data will not be visible to anyone on Snapchat. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to hide your location on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.